Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. This is the place where learning English is simple, fun, and relaxing. I am your teacher, Leo.
And hi, everyone. I am Anna. I am so happy to be here with you, Leo.
Anna, you sound very energetic today. How are you feeling?
I am feeling great, Leo, but actually, maybe a little bit tired too. Life is so busy. How are you?
I am doing very well, thank you. I feel calm and ready to teach.
You are always calm, Leo. I want to be calm like you.
We can practice together, Anna. But first, to our listeners, if you want to speak better English every day, please click the subscribe button right now.
Yes, join our family. Click like if you are ready to listen.
So, Anna, you said you're a little tired because life is busy?
Yes, every day is the same. Wake up, run to work, run home, sleep. It is crazy. I feel like a hamster on a wheel. Run, run, run.
I understand. Many people feel that way. That is why today we are going to talk about daily life, but not the stressful parts.
Oh, good.
We will talk about the simple joys.
Simple joys? You mean small things that make us happy?
Exactly. We will talk about our habits and how to enjoy a simple day. Are you ready to slow down, Anna?
I am ready. Teach me how to relax, please.
Let's start at the beginning, the morning. Anna, what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Oh, this is embarrassing. I hit the alarm clock, bam, and I sleep for 10 more minutes. Then I wake up and look at my phone immediately.
Ah, I see. That is a very common habit. But looking at your phone right away can make you feel stressed.
It is true. I see emails, I see bad news, and boom, my stress starts. So what do you do, Leo?
Well, I have a morning routine.
Routine? What does that word mean?
A routine is something you do every day in the same order. It is a habit. My routine is simple. First, I open the curtains to see the sun.
Okay, sunshine. That sounds nice.
Then I go to the kitchen. I do not look at my phone. I make a cup of hot coffee.
Ooh, coffee. I love coffee. Do you put sugar in it?
No sugar, just black coffee. I love the smell. It smells warm and delicious.
No sugar? You are very strong, Leo. I need lots of sugar and milk. I like my coffee sweet like candy.
To each their own. But here's the comparison, Anna. Imagine two mornings. Morning A, you look at your phone, you rush, you're late. Morning B, you sit quietly, you drink coffee, you look out the window. Which one is better?
Morning bee. It sounds peaceful.
Exactly. Starting the day slowly gives you energy. Now, let's talk about the middle of the day, work time or study time.
This is the hard part. I try to work, but I get bored easily.
That is normal. We all want to be productive.
Productive. Can you explain that?
Sure, to be productive means you do good work, you finish your tasks, you don't waste time.
I want to be productive, but I have a problem. It is called social media.
Ah, yes. Social media is a big distraction. A distraction is something that stops you from working.
Yes, I watch one video of a cat and suddenly 2 hours are gone.
Cats are very cute, but we need focus. Here's a tip. When I work, I clean my desk. I want my space to feel cozy and organized.
Wait, cozy. I thought cozy was for a bed or a sofa.
Usually, yes. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and nice. But a workspace can be cozy too.
Oh, really?
Yes, I have a small plant on my desk.
A plant? Like a flower?
Just a green plant. I call him Mr. Green.
Okay, I like Mr. Green.
Looking at a plant helps my eyes relax.
So, to be productive, I stop distractions and make my desk nice. Maybe I will buy a plant too.
Yes. And maybe put your phone in another room?
Put my phone in another room? Oh, Leo, that sounds scary. But I will try.
Now, let's move to the afternoon. After work, what do you do?
Usually, I am tired. I just want to sit.
I understand. But the afternoon is a great time to connect with people.
Connect? You mean connect to the Wi-Fi?
No, not Wi-Fi. Connect means to talk to people, to share feelings, to be with others.
Ah, I see.
Let me tell you a short story. Yesterday, I finished work. I was tired. I wanted to watch TV alone. But I saw my neighbor, Mrs. Smith. She was in her garden.
Is she the old lady with the cute dog?
Yes, that is her. I stopped and said, "Hello, Mrs. Smith. The flowers look beautiful." We talked for only 5 minutes. She told me about her dog. We laughed. After that, I felt happy. I did not feel tired anymore.
Really? Just talking makes you less tired?
Yes, human connection gives us energy. It's a simple joy.
I love that story. Maybe calling my friends is better than just texting.
It is. A text is good, but a voice is warmer.
Okay, today I will call my mom. I will not just text her.
That is a perfect idea, Anna. Moms love phone calls. Now, finally, the day ends. It is evening. How do you feel at 9 p.m., Anna?
At 9 p.m., I am exhausted.
Exhausted. That is a strong word. It means very, very tired, right?
Yes, my battery is at 1%.
When we're exhausted, we often make bad choices. We watch TV until midnight or eat unhealthy snacks.
Leo, are you spying on me? That's exactly what I do.
I think we all do that sometimes. But for a simple, happy life, we need a better evening routine.
What do you do, Leo?
I read a book, a paper book, no blue light.
Wow, very healthy.
And before I sleep, I practice gratitude.
Gratitude? That's a beautiful word.
Gratitude means being thankful. I think of 3 small things that made me happy today.
Like coffee, Mr. Green, and Mrs. Smith?
Exactly.
That's very sweet. It changes your thinking from negative to positive.
Yes. Then you sleep better, you wake up happy, and the circle starts again.
Wow, Leo, we talked about so many things today. I feel more relaxed just listening to you.
I'm glad, Anna. Let's review. What are the main points for our listeners?
Okay, let me try. Morning, don't rush, don't check the phone immediately, have a routine. Work, be productive, remove distractions, make your space cozy. Connection, talk to people, say hello, call a friend. Evening, don't stay up late when exhausted. Read, practice gratitude.
Perfect summary, Anna. You are a great student.
Thank you. It is not difficult, it's just simple.
That is the secret, Anna. Happiness is simple. It is not about big cars or lots of money. It's about coffee, smiles, and good sleep.
I agree. I'm going to buy a plant for my desk tomorrow.
Great.
Now, question of the day. What is one simple thing that makes you happy? Is it coffee, walking, or your cat?
Please tell us in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful, simple, and happy day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye.